Welcome to the future of AI, where machines are becoming increasingly capable of emulating human-like abilities. In this era of technological advancement, AI systems like ChatGPT are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, from understanding text to generating human-like responses. Today, we'll explore how ChatGPT and similar AI models are evolving to see, hear, and speak, revolutionizing the way we interact with machines. Number 1. Understanding vision. In recent years, AI has made significant strides in computer vision, enabling machines to interpret and understand visual information. With advancements in deep learning algorithms and neural networks, AI models like ChatGPT are now capable of analyzing images and videos, recognizing objects, faces, and even emotions. This ability opens up a wide range of applications, from autonomous vehicles to medical imaging and surveillance systems. Number 2. Enhancing speech recognition. Another area where AI has made remarkable progress is in speech recognition. AI models like ChatGPT can now transcribe spoken words with incredible accuracy, even in noisy environments or with accents. This technology has revolutionized virtual assistants, dictation software, and customer service systems, making it easier for humans to interact with machines using natural language. Number 3. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is one of the most exciting frontiers in AI, allowing machines to understand and generate human language. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's GPT architecture, is a prime example of the capabilities of NLP. By analyzing vast amounts of text data, ChatGPT can generate responses that are contextually relevant and grammatically correct, mimicking human conversation with astonishing accuracy. Number 4. Multimodal AI. The future of AI lies in multimodal systems that can integrate information from different sensory modalities such as vision, speech, and text. This approach enables AI models like ChatGPT to understand and generate content across various formats, making them more versatile and adaptable to different tasks and environments. Number 5. Ethical considerations. As AI continues to advance, it's essential to address the ethical implications of these technologies. Issues like bias, privacy, and accountability must be carefully considered to ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed responsibly. OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT, is committed to ethical AI research and has implemented safeguards to mitigate potential risks, such as releasing models responsibly and promoting transparency in AI development. Number 6. The future of human-machine interaction. The evolution of AI, particularly in vision, speech, and natural language processing, is transforming the way humans interact with machines. As AI systems like ChatGPT become more sophisticated, they have the potential to enhance productivity, improve accessibility, and even foster deeper connections between humans and machines. Whether it's assisting with daily tasks, providing personalized recommendations, or facilitating communication, AI is poised to play an increasingly integral role in our lives. Number 7. Applications in healthcare. AI's ability to see, hear, and speak has profound implications for the healthcare industry. From diagnosing medical conditions to assisting with surgeries, AI-powered systems are revolutionizing patient care. ChatGPT, for example, can analyze medical records, assist doctors in decision-making, and even provide patient education. The future of AI is bright and full of possibilities. With advancements in vision, speech, and natural language processing, AI models like ChatGPT are becoming more capable of understanding and interacting with humans in meaningful ways. As we continue to explore the potential of AI, it's essential to approach these technologies with curiosity, skepticism, and a commitment to ethical development. By harnessing the power of AI responsibly, we can unlock new opportunities and build a future where humans and machines coexist harmoniously. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights.